Throw your leg over. Throw your leg over, Chief. Ride that horse. Ride the horse. Throw your leg over. Throw that leg over. There you go. There you go. Now you on.
All right, got it.
Keep going, keep going. Stay cranky, stay cranky. Cranky's making.
Get those rods out the way.
I need to put that thing so I can pull it, with my, pull it up and
use this hand, use this hand. Pull it, pull it one. No. Pull the line, pull the line. Pull the line. Pull the line down, like this.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, so you don't have to hold it.
Fast.
You got it.
I was trying to do it the way I do it, like.
He wants to pump.
No,
yeah. He's right here. Here he is. He's right here. Oh yeah, baby! Let's go! Don't stop! Get it! You got it! Watch your feet! Go ahead.
Grab that line. It's bundled up. It's bundled up.
Bundled up, can't run no more.
I got him. Watch out.
Watch your feet! Yeah, baby! Watch your phone!
Ah, you good, go forward!
Hey, what do we do about these fucking blind dogs? They keep bunching up, no matter.
And the yellow? Let's try it, Marco. Let's see, Pepsi Challenge. Which one's that one? The black fin? Yellow? What are you doing? You put avocado on there? You get that soy. That soy on there. Wahoo's the best one. It's awesome. Yeah. Fresh, baby. He was just swimming a few hours ago. Now he's swimming in our belly.
Amazing.
Try that one.
Even like without any of that, it's amazing still. It's got like a squid consistency a little bit.
Yeah. Yep. Like better, the tuna or the wahoo?
Oh, the Wahoo by far.
Told you, dog, right?
Wow,
It's
the truth.
This is the truth. It got that edge.
You got
Tuna
Trey
is
with